Greencastle, Pennsylvania. It may not be a town you're familiar with yet, but wait until you see. There is so much to offer living in a place like this. Hi, I'm Maria with Ryan Homes, and I can't wait to show you around one of the best kept secrets in the area. In charming downtown Greencastle, you'll find tons of locally owned shops, restaurants, and cafes. And if you're looking to get your caffeine fix like me, you're in the right place. Greencastle is home to plenty of coffee houses. The Bean and Biscuit is the newest coffee house. Enjoy a cozy setting with handcrafted beverages, baked goods, soups, and sandwiches. Brio Coffee House is another great option for handcrafted coffee. And you have to try their coffee flights. It's quite the experience. If you're looking for some great dining options, B Street 104 Restaurant and Pub is a very popular choice. The perfect lunch hotspot is Pure and Simple Cafe. It's an organic cafe that serves the best salads and wraps in town. Well, here we are at the next stop, my favorite spot, So Fresh Spa. Let's go in and meet Lori. So how long have you been here?
So we've been here for about 2 years. I've been in business going on 4 years.
What all services do you offer here that you would want to tell people about that maybe they don't know, or somebody that's new to the area?
So we do facials, we do massages, we do couples massages. We have a beautiful
cool.
couples room.
Thank you so much, Lori, for talking to us a little bit.
For sure.
I'll definitely be booking my next appointment. And have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. The Dapper House Barbershop is a local favorite. It's a full-service gentleman's barbershop where you can enjoy an upscale vintage atmosphere and get the true VIP experience. And when you're all done and feeling dapper, head out back to Hidden Key Brewing Company for a cold brew on tap. Cheers. The boutique shops in downtown will amaze you. For furniture, antiques, and home decor, you must visit shops like All Things Country, The Shop, and My Jacob's Ladder. What can you tell somebody that doesn't really know what to expect, what they can come here and find?
Home decorating, of course. I try to find a lot of unique items also. I do a lot of searching for antique pieces and one-of-a-kind pieces. I go as far as almost Indiana, through Ohio, into Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, picking for items. We offer a lot of farmhouse.
That seems to be all the rage right now.
And primitive items as well.
You certainly do have an eye for it, I can definitely tell. Well, thank you so much for taking some time to chat with us. Cannot wait to have our homeowners come in here and check out your store.
Thank you.
For a fun-filled weekend, check out the Antrim Community Township Park. It has everything you need with tennis courts, soccer and baseball fields, basketball courts, playgrounds, and hiking trails. There's even a disc golf course. Challenge your golf skills at Greencastle Golf Club. It's one of the best public golf courses in the area. Covering over 200 acres of lush, rolling countryside, it offers amazing views and a challenging course for every skill level. The Funcastle Fun Center is locally owned and where you can enjoy family fun with mini golf, go-karts, batting cages, and laser tag, just to name a few. Then afterwards, visit Mikey's Ice Cream and Green Cow for your favorite sweet treat. Now that you've seen some of the local charm, let's see where you can find somewhere to call home. Our community, Rolling Hills, is only 5 minutes west of all of these great attractions. Live in an established community with beautiful mountain views. Our luxury villa homes provide you with a design that lives like a single-family home. Our duplex homes provide 1 to 2 level living at an affordable price. Plus, every home is an end unit. Take the next step and explore Rolling Hills today. We can't wait to welcome you home.